real quick. All right, cool. Hey, everybody. Today is Tuesday, April 16th. This is the patch release meeting for release 1.6, release 1.5, and release 1.7.0. Yeah, we'll be cutting two patch releases and the minor release 1.7.0. Quick reminder that cluster API as part of Kubernetes SIGs does adhere to the CNCF code of conduct. Essentially boils down to treating one another with respect. Cool. So let's go ahead and get started here. I got the doc pulled up for how we cut the releases. And yeah, let's start going through these things. We had the thread open already, so I think we're pretty confident in CI signal. I don't know, has anything changed since yesterday? It doesn't look like it to me, but CI team has anything they'd like to bring up? Go for it.
The CI is looking green. Also, now the dew stack flake is fixed, so that is also green. So CI is much better now.
Awesome.
You can see dew stack is green now, finally.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, Christian fixed the issue. Yeah.
Who was it?
Christian.
That was a tough one. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at that PR. All right, great. So good signal on CI. Security scan completed yesterday. No issues there, and I think it's been clean. Yep, for a few weeks, so we should be good on that front. So this step has already been completed. We have the PRs open, so we can start looking at those. It looks like Willie are kind of actively chipping away at, and we got Stefan leaving some comments on 1.7.0, so I'll leave that one for now. And let's look at the patch ones first. Has anything been merged to 1.5 since these were generated? Guess we could take a look. Okay, so we've got April 15th, 10.4.2.9, which looks like it's fine. Okay. I did a pass on this yesterday too. We've got the approval from Stefan on this. I don't see any reason for us to not move forward and get the jobs running on 1.5.8. Anybody else on the call have comments, concerns about the 1.5.8 PR? All right, so let's go ahead and unhold that one. Okay. So 1.6.4. Yeah, again, I took a pass at this one yesterday. It looks good to me. We can take a look and see if anything else has been merged to this branch since these were generated. April 15th, looks like the same cherry pick. 4.3.1. Seems to be accounted for. All right, cool. This one also looks good to me. I don't know if anybody else on the call has questions, comments, concerns about 1.6.4 patch. Any reason we shouldn't cancel the hold on this? All right, let's go for it. All right, so those should both be.
For 1.5.8, does it have the latest commit? Last one.
Yeah, it should. I checked it.
1.0. Okay. Sorry, I was checking. I was on the wrong part. So my bad.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. Always good to double check. Cool. So then we're on to the big one, the minor release. Got a bunch of outdated comments on here, so thanks for chipping away at this, Willie. All right, I think this is Stefan gave the approval on this. I haven't taken a pass since all those comments have been addressed, but I'm confident in the work that has been done on this. So I guess we can just scroll through and do one final one. Last commit was back on April 15th. Looks like same cherry pick. All right. Now I've got some comp chatter in the thread. Sorry. Okay, cool. Yeah, thanks for following up there, Sunat. Okay, so we should be good on that. Looks good to me. Any open comments on here?
None of these should be open.
Cool. Yeah, thanks for clarifying on that. I just wasn't sure. I remember looking at that PR and yeah, makes sense. So we
Yeah, no
have
problem.
kind of differentiation there. All right. Anybody else in the call want more time on this, or think there's any reason we should wait for a bit? Any other concerns, comments? So we've had plenty of practice with the RCs and the betas here, so let's get it rolling. I don't think those affect us, hopefully. Retesting. This just not been updated yet. Nice, cool. It's good. All right, this guy has a job running on it still. All right. All right, so just a quick run through of what else we're gonna do, because it's been a bit since we've cut the stable latest release. So for each branch, we're gonna do this, promote the images, and then for each branch, we're going to publish. 1.7.0 is going to be marked as latest. We will publish cluster cuddle to homebrew. This will be for latest stable release. Yep, so that's just 1.7.0. And it looks like this. Well, date. This might be outdated.
Great, Steven. Sorry if I missed it. Are we wanting to like update the contributing.md right now too?
Yeah, I'm just putting it together a small PR on the side. It should be a small update.
Okay, yeah, because I remember doing this like after the release came out.
Oh,
So this isn't something we have to do, I think, before the minor release.
wait, one more time.
This update is something we did like after like for the next release cycle. So this doesn't have to be updated before the minor release is out, I think, because I already have 1.7 like added to this.
Oh, got it. Yeah, I mean, so this is 1.1.6. Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
Like 1.7's already on there.
Yeah. This doesn't hurt to add 1.8. But I guess that's getting ahead of it a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this was one of the first tasks for the release cycle. So that's what I remember doing. I don't know if we should do it now or
Oh, maybe this is a duplicate? Because the only thing we don't, maybe part of it's duplicated, because I'm only sharing one screen. I can pull it up over here too. It looks like this still only has 1.6 on it. So maybe our
oh,
docs are incomplete. Wait, where did I have that? I still have it open. Am I being an idiot? Like here, docs, doc, verse. Yeah, like this still only has v1.6.
oh.
So I don't know if some of this stuff is a little bit kind of like cut up and sometimes spans multiple teams. I mean, we're still just waiting on, oh wait, we got one. Okay. Yeah, both of these. Nice, cool. We got 2 of 3. It's great. I mean, it's still going to be a bit before we can really do anything else. So just let me take a look at. All right, cool. This all looks good so far. So yeah, maybe we updated versions and didn't update this. I'm honestly not really. I don't know if this has changed. Max core DNS for upgrade.
Oh, I think it's because um I modeled this after Guillermo's PR and like his PR for 1.6 only added 1.5 in the core DNS table, so I don't know why that's the case.
Yeah, I don't know either. So like this one's going up. So this is for 1.4 EOL. And this is of the date of. So this is the day when 1.4 was released. Now they're scheduling out the 1.6 support here.
Yeah.
So for us, that would be. Oh wait, no. It's 1.4. So yeah, 1.5, 1.6. So for us, that's 1.7. So in theory, we would be. Am I missing something here? This is just adding 2 in advance of the one that's being released.
No, because this is just setting the end of life day. I don't think this was during 1.4.
Oh, it wasn't. When was this committed? This was December 6th.
That's definitely not. That was during 1.7.
But 2023. Oh,
That's like 4 months ago.
Yeah,
5 months ago.
interesting. For minor releases, set EOL date for previous release. But I think we do need to set EOL for the previous release, right? Because today, once this release is cut, that will be end of life for 1.5, right?
Yeah, but I thought the previous release was 1.4. Or is this?
Oh, no, you're right. We're dropping support for 1. So as of today, it'll be 1.7, 1.6, and 1.5.
Yeah. So we would only need to set it for 1.4. Is that true?
Something seems a little bit wonky here. Sunat, did you raise your hand? Or is that a mistake? All right.
Yeah, I was checking that, and so because I think this is 2 minor releases. So I think we should set like 1.5 end of life today.
Right?
Yeah, because you see like a 1.6 release date here. So and then 1.7 subsequently will mean that end of life of 1.5. So 2
Yeah,
minor releases are like, yeah.
right. I think you're right.
Yeah.
So yeah, we set
Yeah.
end of life for 1.5 today. And
Yeah.
then I don't think it hurts for us to tack on. I mean, I guess technically we don't need to add
And
1.8.
yeah, we can add it. We can add it. This.
Doesn't hurt, right?
I think we should add it just because this PR added it. So
Yeah, to be consistent, right? Okay, so then then we have 3 will be released rows with end of life set for 1.5 as of today. And then oh, I guess I can just share my other screen so you'll see what I'm. What am I? That one. Yeah. Right. So this is what I have so far. I have 1.8 up top, new row. End of life today for 1.5. And then here we're going to add another row as well. Same API version.
May I ask, why are you adding 1.8 there? Yeah.
Just to be consistent with this other example.
Okay.
So like here with the example PR. Here, I'll drop it in there. So this is repeatedly cut a release, and then it says, look at this previous art. And the previous art has a PR that's going 2 versions ahead.
yeah, because the 1.7 thing was there before 1.7 the thing. So I guess that's just how it is.
I'm quite kind of so because we do not have a 1.8, so is it all right to have it like in the list? So that's what I was concerning.
Yeah, I mean that's what it was in the previous example. So we're just going off of that. Like when, when 6 was released, we didn't have 1.8, right?
Yeah, that's right, actually.
Or is this going too far ahead?
I do feel like it's a bit confusing if someone reads this and thinks 1.8 is already out.
Correct, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
let's take it out.
It's better to not put it.
Yeah. Then this, we can maybe update the doc so this will be the example people use going forward. I agree. Yeah, that is a little confusing. So what are we waiting on here? Still waiting on the miner to merge. These jobs running. Let's take a look at pro jobs. Great. Yeah, so we've got 1.5.8. And these are probably going to be another 10 minutes before this stuff completes. Okay. So going back to core DNS, max core DNS. I wonder what this is based off of then. Is this based off of something that we have? Our dependencies? Hmm.
I have no idea. Kubernetes, I think it's related to the Kubernetes version.
Core DNS. Let's look at this for. That would be for 1.2.9 that we're looking at, right? Does that make sense?
Yes, I think it's 129.
Right, because that's what we're officially
Yeah,
supporting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or here's a more clear link, but that would be v11.1, which is the same. Okay. I mean, it looks like it hasn't changed much. All right. I'm comfortable with that. I mean, this is going to need approval anyway, so. All right, cool. So all three of those are now merged, which is good. I think we should be seeing the patch release staging images soon. All right, cool. So the patch releases are good to go. So let's take a look at what's next. Release tag, GitHub token, and make promote images. Right. Uh-oh. So this is 158 promo PR. Let's check out those shows. Oh, sorry, let me drop this PR in the. They look good to me. This is the 164 PR, which I have not checked yet. All right, it's all good to me. I don't know. Anybody else want to verify that jaws look good on those? Also, just throw a comment right on the PRs if you want. LGTM. Nice, got some LGTMs in there. That's good. So we're just waiting on maintainer approval, which is nice. Check on. All right, the job is done for 1.7.0. And I guess we're about 7 minutes out from getting those images. Yeah, no worries, a deal. See ya. Cool. All right, got approvals for patch releases, which is good.
Yeah, then v1.7.0 Proud job for staging is done.
Cool. Yeah, I'm grabbing the Shaws now. It's good. Right, let's run that. Beautiful. Yes. Never seen this before. Has anybody seen this state? It's waiting for the previous one to finish, maybe?
Sorry, I was muted. I haven't seen that, but I think it might not be relevant to us.
I mean, this is our commit. So this is our job that's going to promote those images.
Okay.
We can also just wait and see if this is still running. So maybe this is just waiting for that to complete before moving forward.
Yeah. Yeah, I also checked the SHAs, so they're fine.
Cool, thanks.
Uh,
All right, so most of the PRs are in flight, which is hopefully we'll see some movement in our job soon. What's it doing?
So apparently it cannot run the severals in a row, right? So it will wait until the previous job is finished. The image promotion jobs, I mean.
Yeah, hopefully. Or are you saying you know that to be true?
No, I'm just guessing. So
Yeah, yeah.
but
Okay.
I do not see any other reason for that being blocked. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we might be stuck behind this job, which appears to be all of the standard Kubernetes components images, like the scheduler and the API server. So hopefully it won't be too long. That's already been running for 20 minutes. More history here. Oh yeah, there we go. I think we're right. So we have pending, triggered as the different states. Okay.
v1.7 might need a rebase, actually. Image promotion.
Yep,
So
so I got it
basic,
pulled up right now, yep.
okay. So basically, yeah, there is little bit of drawback of doing this in the same time, but I think, yeah, we can manage that.
Yeah, so I guess it's just the order in which they merge then creates a merge conflict.
Yeah. Interestingly, this one is still running. The one is running like from the beginning, and then now we have like 2 jobs are waiting.